Here it is. Here's my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. I like to call it a heist instead of a haul because in the end they paid me. So this is $225.76 worth of goods. It's all said and done. I had an overage, a moneymaker of $35.13. And yes, that total does include tax, so that's an accurate overage right there. As for the week of October 7th to October 13th or October 6th to October 12th. So I'm trying to do this every week, upload a video on the first day of the sale. So, please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right away and do these deals before, the coupon's out of prints or the digital coupon disappears. So let's get right into what I got. Some of the stuff I got last week, and I got them again. This was one of them. The Kitu Super coffee. This is $2.99 each, so they came to $5.98. There is $2 back from aisle on each of them, and $1 off of two from Ibotta. So $5.98 with $5 back made those 98 cents for both, or 49 cents each. Next, Tates Bake Shop. Did that last week. I had to do it again. It reset in my Ibotta. It's $1, and Ibotta gives you $1 back. Just select it before you, it automatically takes it off. It just recognizes it, automatically takes it off. Keep going. Mountain Dew Rise. Once again, got that last week. Got it again. It's a Publix digital coupon. Not sure if it's still there, but if you have it, keep it clipped. So as you can see, I did this in 5 transactions, or 4 transactions. So let me get to that. I had this Sprouts competitor coupon, $5 off of 30. That's why I got so much stuff. And each time I just barely got over 30 like usual, and then did another transaction. Now, granted, there's 5 Publix within 10 minutes of where I live. They all accepted Sprouts coupons, so I just went to one after the other, just going over $30 each time, so I could maximize that $5 off of 30. So let's keep it going. Silk Oat, that was a Publix digital coupon once again. So that was another one that I redeemed. So got some new deals here. Splenda diabetic shape. This was a good one. This is a Publix digital coupon as well. So you buy this. These are $9.99. You buy this $4.19. And there's a Publix digital coupon. When you buy any Splenda product, you get this for free. So you spend $14.18 for both of these. You get back $9.99 for this. You can submit to Ibotta and get $2 back or $1 back, either one. Sometimes it's $2, sometimes it's $1. And you get $3 back for this one. So you get $2 back from Ibotta for this, $3 back from Ibotta for this, and the Publix digital coupon for $9.99. So $14.18 for both of these, and you get an 80 cents overage. The Sin of Dust. Yes, so that was last week as well. Swag Bucks. They are 2 for $5. And you get $1 back on each one from checkout 51, and you get $6 in swag bucks. So you pay $5 for both of these and get $6, $1, and $1, getting $8 back on $5, $3 moneymaker on these guys right here. And once again, everything was just adding up to 30, so I could utilize that $5 off, $10 off 40 next week. So we're gonna have a little fun as well. Keep going. Equal sweeteners, and so doing all these transactions, I could go. I could do it. Different transaction. You're allowed 8 to use 8 of these coupons, so I was allowed to use. If I did 4 transactions, but I didn't get that maximum of 8 every time. I just kind of built it up to 30, so however many I needed. So, anyways, for these, but definitely get at least 6 one of the times because. I'll explain now. So these were $2.19 BOGO, and there's $1 off of each one, so making them 19 cents. And then Ibotta has 50 cents off of each one, limit of 3. So all in all, I got 18 of them. They were $2.19. They were BOGO, so For 18 of them, I paid $19.71. I used 18 of these coupon. This is from the Save, September 5th Save. And I also submitted the 3.50 Ibotta rebate, so 18 back with coupons, $1.50 back with Ibotta. Paid 21 cents for 18 of those, and once again, it helped me reach my 30. Keep going. Beyond Burger, I like this one. This was a buy two get one free, and they're regularly $5.89 each for those. But if it buy two get one free, they came to $11.78 for two of them. There's a manufacturer printable that I got the link below from that, and that is $2 off each one. It's a limit of one, but they took all of them. Actually, I used a digital coupon for one of them, and the two printables for the other one. And then there is $2 back each one from an aisle, so you're spending $11.78 for three of them. You use two manufacturer printable coupons, and the digital coupon, you're getting $6 back from coupons, and then you get $6 back from aisle, making that 22-cent overage on those. Keep going. What else we got? Dr.Praeger Perfect Burger. Oh man, this was a good one. So this is a good one. This was BOGO this week. They're $3.63 for, if you can find this one, the 20-gram Perfect Burger. They're $3.63 BOGO, and there's a manufacturer printable for $2 off. I have the link below, all the links and a detailed breakdown below. So when I'm talking, I got everything broken down below, and I've got the links to print all the coupons. So these were $3.63 BOGO. You buy four of them, $3.63 BOGO. You buy four of them, you're looking at $7.26, no tax on those, and you use four $2 off coupons, so that's $8 off right there. And you got Ibotta has $1 off of each box, so you're getting $4 back on each box. So you're basically spending $7.26 for four of them. You get $8 back in coupons, $4 back from Ibotta, getting $12 back on the $7.26. So $4.74 overage moneymaker on those. Keep it going. Alpha Nuggets. So I got this from Holly Dean, Coupon Queen. She tipped me off to this one. This was a good one. There's this blinky right in front of the product, and it's a buy one get one free blinky. You gotta love that. And there's also an Ibotta rebate. I knew about the Ibotta rebate for buy one get one free. So, and it's actually gives you $5.98 back. So basically, you buy two of them. They're $3.99 each. I actually saw them on clearance too at the other store I went to, but I bought two of them. They were $3.99 each. So two of them cost $7.98. That took off $3.99. Ibotta submitted me back $5.98, so I had $1.99 overage on those. These Barilla Gusta sauces, these are $5.99. They're BOGO, so you get two for $5.99. $3 off from the Save September 5th. It's still good until October 17th, that coupon. So buying 8 of them costs $23.96. You use 8 of these coupons, you can get back $24, making that a 4 cents overage on those. Keep it going. The Airwick warmer. Okay, so I got 8 of them. As I said, I did 4 transactions. So, but one of the times I got 5 at once. So that's how you really want to do it. So you want to get 5 of them, and you want to use 2 of these printables and 2 from the October 3rd Smart Source, and then there is a Publix digital coupon for the 5th one. So 2 and 2, 4, and the 5th one is Publix digital coupon. And then Ibotta gives you back $1 each on 5. So let's do the math here. When I bought 8 of them, it came to $13.80, and I did 3 transactions, so I was able to, because there's a limit on the coupon, but If you're doing it in different transactions, you're good. And obviously, I was doing different transactions, different $30 transactions. So 8 of them cost me $13.80. I used 2 of those. That takes off $1.59. This one's even better. It takes off $1.75. Got the link for that one below. So that's a great one. $1.75 off. That takes $1.59 off. Digital coupon took $1.59 off. And you had $5 back from Ibotta, because $1 off each one. There's $1.75 off of the coupons.com app. So in total, let's get to that one. That was I spent $13.80 for 8 of them. I got $3.18 back from that coupon, $1.59. I used 5 of those, so I got back $8.75 on that. I used the digital coupon. I've got back $1.59 back on that. I got $5 back from Ibotta. I got $1.75 back from checkout 51. So when I spent $13.80, I had $6.47 overage moneymaker on that. Let's keep it going. Chobani probiotic, another good moneymaker here. These are buy one get one free at $3.87. You get 2 for $3.87. There's a Publix digital coupon for $1.50 off of each one. Or sorry, for one of them, $1.50 off each one. And then in the Smart Source October 3rd, there was $1.50 off as well. $3.87 off from Ibotta. 10 cents off from Ibotta for any probiotic, and $1.50 back from checkout 51. So $4.60 overage moneymaker on those. Keep it going. Chobani creamer, same kind of thing. $3.99 BOGO, $1 off Publix digital coupon, $1 off manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source 10.3, and $1 back from checkout 51. So both of those cost me 99 cents. And once again, I was always getting 5 off on those. So what's next? Last deal. Oh, 2 more deals. Enlightened ice cream. This was a good one. These are BOGO at $4.99. There is tax. So when you buy 4 of them, $4.99 each, you're going to pay $10.83 with the tax. You get back $3 on a manufacturer digital. There is a printable for $5 off of 3. So you're spending $10.83. You're getting back $8 in coupons, so costing you $2.83 for 4 of those when you include the tax. And once again, I was getting 5 off of that, so definitely made me a moneymaker. Safeguard hand soap. This is a good deal as well. These are $2. You buy 3 of them. With tax comes to $6.51. In the October PG, there's $5 off of 3, so that makes them $1.51 when the tax is figured in. And of course, my 4, I had 4 of those, so that gave me another $20 off my whole thing, making my grand total overage of $35.13. So if you did not have these, you could use the MasterCard deal where you get $5.05 off. So you'd be getting about $15. You still have a $20 and maybe $20.05, $20.18 overage. You'd have a $20.18 overage if you did this deal. So you could probably do it twice because I got so much stuff. So you'd have a $25 overage, I would think, because you could definitely get over 50 twice when you're buying all this stuff. So yes, once again, please subscribe. Please subscribe to that funny looking guy right there. More cool stuff right here. And more times I've been paid to shop. So over a year, I've been doing this every single week. When I include the tax too, I'm getting paid. I get paid every week. So, hopefully you can take some of these deals and get paid to shop as well. Bye.